Hey there, boys and girls. It is day 7 of your daily math. As you see here, we're getting closer and closer, working our way through it. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1, there are 12 inches in 1 foot. How many inches are in half a foot? So we got to break that in half, right? So 12 inches, if we break that in half or divide it by 2, 12 inches divided by 2, 12 divided by 2 is 6. So how many inches would that be? It would be 6 inches. All right, number 2, write less than, greater than, or equal to. So I see, 36 divided by 4 is something compared to 28 divided by 4. You probably know already with the 4 on there, but let's go through and answer it anyways. What is 36 divided by 4? What's that? You bet. It's a 9. And what's 28 divided by 4? Yeah, that's a 7. So 7 is greater than 9, therefore 36 divided by 4 is greater than 28 divided by 4. Nice work. Okay, number 3. We have Danny is running every day to get in shape for baseball season. Good job, Danny. If he runs 2 miles a day, how many miles will he run in 2 weeks? Okay, well, 2 miles per day, that looks like a multiplication problem. Now, 2 times 2 for 2 miles a day times 2 weeks, that isn't going to answer our question, is it? So we kind of got to do a little bit of work before we can do our work, if that makes sense. 2 weeks. How many days are in 1 week? Let's see. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All right, so we got 7, right? If there's 7 days in 1 week, there are 14 days in 2 weeks. Okay? And then he runs 2 miles for every single day. So we're going to multiply that by 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 28, and it's already labeled for us, miles. Okay? So he would run 28 miles in 2 weeks. Number 4, we have a little chart here, and this is a division problem. And this one over here is kind of shaded, right? So we got to figure out what these are right here. This one, this one, this one, and this one. And the directions say divide across and down. So 24 divided by 8 equals blank. Okay, that's kind of what it's saying. And then it's also saying 24 divided by 6 equals blank. So first let's do the 24 divided by 8. 24 divided by 8 is 3. All right. 24 divided by 6 is, what is it? 4. Yeah. 6 times 4 equals 24. Nice work. Then we have 6 divided by 2 equals something. Well, that is also a 3. And 8 divided by 2 equals something, and that is also a 4. This box right here actually could have been left open, right? Because 3 divided by 3 would have been 1, and 4 divided by 4 would have been 1. So 1 is the missing number there. Maybe we'll call it the magic number. All right, let's look at 5. Draw a rectangular hexagon, equal sides, with a perimeter of 36 units. So I am going to just kind of jump ahead time-wise here, and we are going to pretend that this one right here, okay, this is going to be 6 units, right? And 6 units, 6 units, 6 units, 6 units, and 6 units. So if each one of these, and it doesn't have to be centimeters or inches or millimeters, it's 6 units, meaning 6 types of something that are all going to be the same. So I have 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 6, that equals 36 units. How long is each side? 6 units. Okay? All right, that's it for day 7. We'll see you later.